Hello everybody, welcome to Describe My English. We improve the language through describing things, and today we are going to describe a ball. Well, obviously, we might say that it is a blue and white ball. Nice try, but still a long way to go. Or it is a new ball to play soccer. Alright, sounds more specific, but still too general. Our goal here is to describe things precisely and in detail. What if we want to give comprehensive information about subjects? And here comes tons of adjectives, which characterize different parameters, such as size, material, purpose. How do we put them together? In what order? This class will help us figure out how to handle all these nuances. So, according to Cambridge Dictionary, there is an accepted order of adjectives to appear in a sentence. And we start with expressing our opinion. We can simply say it is a beautiful ball, or if this word sounds too hackneyed to you, you can say attractive or nice looking. Then goes size, and we can say a big or a thief-size ball. Third is physical quality, a bouncy ball. Shape, a round ball. Age, a new ball. Color, a snow white and blue ball. Origin, a Pakistani ball. Material, a polyurethane ball. Type, a professional ball. Purpose, an outdoor use ball. So, a complete description would sound: an attractive, thief-sized, bouncy, round, new, white and blue, Pakistani, polyurethane, professional outdoor use ball.
Locate the air valve to inflate the ball up to 0.8 bar, which provides you missile with a superior velocity. This football has a precise, machine-stitched construction for accurate flight and control in tight situations. Perfect for training or matches, this football can be used on both natural and artificial grass. High contrast graphics make it easier to spot the ball in the air. This football is made to take your strongest shots. It also guarantees high durability, so you can use it again and again. FIFA-approved balls must rebound to a height between 155 and 135 centimeters. The segments of the ball are firmly glued together. This gives the ball a stable airflow and a predictable movement. Be sure the ball stays round even after thousands of strikes. The material's quality guarantees it, as well as a lower water intake when played in the rain.